Hi everyone. I bet you delete your WhatsApp Messenger after watching this video. Yes, WhatsApp is considered to be the king or the best instant messaging app. Do you know that Telegram is one of its main competitors because of its simplicity and speed? Yes, today I'm going to show you some cool tricks on Telegram app that you cannot find anywhere on WhatsApp. So if you are on Telegram, I would like you to try after me or try after watching this video. Number one, you can edit your sent messages. After sending it, you can edit it and resend it. Number two, you can schedule when to deliver your message. Number three, you can edit your pictures before sending them in the app, pictures or videos. So, if you are ready, let's go. Let's start one after the other. Okay, as I said earlier, we are going to use Telegram. This is Telegram here. You can see Telegram here. So, if you don't have Telegram, download it or watch the video. When you finish, you go and do the practice. You can see this is Telegram. Okay, let's start. Okay, I'm going to use this brother here. The first tip is when you send a message, you can edit it. You can see here, I edited this one. Let me show you again. For instance, you can see how are you doing. Okay, you can see I made a mistake. I didn't bring the G here as in doing here. You can see how are you doing, but there is no G. So while chatting, you just see this and you saw it and you want to rectify it. So what do? You want to edit it. So tap on the message and hold it and come to edit here. Edit. You can see you can edit it. You can add the G now and resend it. Okay, so it is very simple. You can edit your sent message. So okay, let's go to the second tip. The second tip is you can schedule your messages. You can send a message today, but the receiver will receive it the day and time you want him to receive it. For instance, I want to send this guy a message, but I want him to receive it 29th January. So let me see. Call me on Monday. Call me on Monday. Sorry. Call me on Monday. Okay. Now we want to schedule the message. You know which Monday you are talking about. So you go to the date, you go to this arrow, tap and hold. When you tap and hold, come here, schedule message. You can see it here, schedule message. Tap on it. So you want him to receive it 29th. So scroll here, you can see today, scroll it to 29th. So 29th, 20 hours 50 minutes, the message will be sent to the guy. As you can see now, you will not see it here, because if you look at the date, the time, you will see the time and you see the date it was scheduled to be sent, 29th January. All these two messages will be sent. The first one is 5:47 and the second one will be 20:50 hours, which is 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. So this is very useful, and as I said earlier, you cannot find this type of feature in WhatsApp. After watching this video today, I bet you may try to delete your WhatsApp. Let's go to the tip number 3. Tip number 3, which is you can edit a photo, add light to it before sending. The same thing to videos. You can edit your video, add some light and brightness before you send it. Okay, let's go. How to do it? Go to choose a video. Let's choose this one, for instance. You look here, down here is where the magic will be happening. You can see you can even add a caption here. Let's see. This caption is Ghana is the winner. Okay, can you see the caption? The caption is here. Okay, so this is how you add the caption to the video. And now you can also crop it. You can crop the video. Let me do it. Let me show you. See, you can crop it and change the ratio by cropping it. You can crop some parts of video, set. You see, you can do the same. You can rotate it. You can rotate and reset. You can see there is reset here. You reset it to its original. Look at these different features here. Tap on this one, you see the magic. You see, did you see it changed? Look at this papers here. Look at it very well. Let me tap on this and you see what it will do. You see when it went. Okay, the second one, look at this feature here. Tap on it. You change the ratio of the, let's say you want this. Look at the sizes, different sizes. This is the original, this is the square, 32 by 2, 3 by 2 square. You see, is 16 by 9. You see, so this feature in Telegram is very useful. Let's say you finish, you just tap on this, tap on this, tap on this one, just tap on it when you finish. So I'm not going to save it. I'll just tap on this one to close it. Okay, discard. Okay, now let me show you another tip. Now we are done with video, the cropping. You have another feature here. As you can see, you have another feature here, down here. Tap on it and you see this is where you can add the brightness. You can enhance it, the soften skin. You can see. Let's see what it will do. Look at my skin. It is softening it. You can see it. You can see it, how it is changing. Look at the skin. Look at it. Okay, let's say you want to enhance the video. Go to the second one here. Just drag it small. Look at how the lights in the room. Look at the light is changing. Okay, go to the third one, which is brightness. Look at the video. Look at the way it is brightening the room. Okay, it is very useful. There is another one here. You can see there is two different icons here. Tap on this one and you see what it will do. You can enhance it by doing like this. You are dragging it like this. You can see, look at where it is going oily. You can see. Okay, the way when you take it up, you will see how the brightness will do. This is the editing I was talking about. Okay, you can change the line to make it red or blue. You can see them here. You
can see blue here, what you to suit your taste. Okay, now another thing here, you can see the shadows. You can add shadow to the videos. Look at here, but this one is not well done. I'm just showing you the features in it. So after you finish, you click on this done. I'm not saving it, so I'm going back. So these are some of the features I'm talking about in this. So let's go back. Let's try another picture. Let's try this picture here. Okay, this picture too, you can change it, you can crop it as you did to the video. You can see, you can crop it, the way you want. Okay, look at this, you can rotate it. Look at all this is built in Telegram. It's not a video editor, but it looks like a video and photo editor. Go to here, choose your ratio. You can see, change the direction, rotate. You can rotate here from here. When you finish and you don't like what you did, you can reset it from here. Reset. So when you are done and you are happy with what you did, you just click on this one. Let me click and let me show you what it will do. Okay, now you can see the same thing. You can adjust the brightness here. You can see from here. We can also, all this is built in Telegram. So I hope the message is clear. If you want me to continue sharing a lot, don't forget to subscribe and especially leave comment. Let me see your comment. Let me know how we are doing. If our work is not, you are not happy with our videos, tell us in the comment. And if you want us to improve something, just tell us in the comment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video will be very, very, very useful to you. Bye. See you next time.